Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add users in Zoho CRM. This is essential for team collaboration. So let's get started. The first step is to access the users and controls sections. First of all, log into your Zoho CRM account. And to do that, just go to the website, go to a new tab and search for CRM. After the website appears, click on it and enter your account credentials and log in. After logging in, you will be directed to your account dashboard, CRM account dashboard. After that, go to settings here and search for users and click on it. Now the second step is to add a new user. Click add user here, a new user. Then fill out the user's details such as name, last name, email, role, and profile right here. We're gonna select random thing. I'm gonna do an example. We're gonna select this one, standard, and we're gonna choose an email. And we're gonna click on save to keep our modification. Now, after assigning the appropriate profile, admin, standard, or custom, I assigned a standard appropriate profile based on their responsibility. Now, the third step is to send an invitation. Click on save and Zoho CRM will send an email invitation to the user automatically. Once they accept, they'll have access to your CRM. And that's it. You've added a new user to Zoho CRM, helping your team collaborate more effectively. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment if you have further more questions about this topic below the video. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.